A lot of that would be what Joyce has done for me over the last year or so. Well, it's been almost 10 months since we started dating. Yeah, from lahat ng mga relationships ko before, siguro sobrang dami dun sa top na like Joyce occupies the top 10 or top 20. She's done so many things for me na super sweet. Like when I was sick, nung April, she was there halos every day, if not every day. Except nung may time kasi na may photo shoot siya when I was in the hospital. But other than that, she was there. And I was there for like 5 days. Yeah, she's very, very thoughtful, and she gives me like very thoughtful gifts. She always... Is she here? Basta. Ang dami niyang ginagawa for me na I sometimes take for granted. I'm a bad boyfriend in that sense. Hindi naman, not naman take for granted, but like, na-realize ko lang after na, shocks, like my girlfriend is so caring. And my duty as a boyfriend is to do even more for her. Oh, she's here! Oh my God! Oh my God! Guess ko nga, namimiss ko. Masyado. Tommy and friends are testing yung pagkaklingi ko. I'm waiting, baby. Paano kayo nag-meet? Friend namin, nag-intro. Dylan Arnold. Pogi ba yan? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Is this real? Joyce, the Joyce accepted my request?
You accepted my love. Hello po.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much for accepting me.
Working or studying?
Anything.
Taga saan po kayo?
From Bicol po ako.
From Bicol?
Yes, Daraga Albay po.
Ano ang pinagkakabisihan niyo tonight?
Galing lang po ako sa isang fun show with my friend.
Sa isa pong? Sa isa pong what?
Galing lang ako sa isang shoot.
Model po kayo?
Ay, hindi po. Model-modelan lang. Yeah.
Pwede po kayong maging full-time model?
Ay, opo. Pangarap ko po yun.
Single po kayo?
Ay, hindi po. Sobrang pogi po ng boyfriend.
Sobrang swerte naman ng boyfriend niyo, ma'am.
Yes po. Sobrang.
Sa mga di pa nagpa-follow, please follow. Matagal na po kayo ng boyfriend niyo, ma'am?
Ay, parang half a year pa lang po.
Okay. Half a year.
Yes po.
Kamusta po kayo?
Okay naman po. Kinikilig po ako sa inyo. Tama na po.
Encho nga pala.
Liza po.
Liza? Akala ko Kelsey eh.
Ano?
Akala ko Kelsey.
Sige, Kelsey din.
Kelsey. So boyfriend niyo po si Chase?
Yes. Oo.
Chasing cars. I miss you, baby.
Ay.
How was your day?
It was eventful.
Kumain ka na, lab?
Ganyan talaga yung humor niya, guys.
Kumain ka na, lab? Ano, lab?
Joyce, tama na, please. Why? May boyfriend din kayo, ah. I mean, ito yung nag-ask. friend ko. Hi, bebe. I missed you. Birthday ng mom ko. So,
Mas
and then
kain mo?
nag-work ako after.
Sarap kain mo? Eat well ka palagi
Ito talaga, rage beat ka sa mga viewers. Guys,
Sorry,
my
hindi
God.
hindi kita na susubuan.
Be, mag-FaceTime na lang kayo. Dito na lang kami mag-FaceTime. Kasi trabaho niyo mag-live. Nakaka-istorbo pa kami.
Ang harot. Na para ba?
How's your day, Bebe? Your day.
My day? Today? Facebook. Joke. Hindi ko na kaya.
Kailangan natin si Parina
Wala na ako
G.
sa Parina mode.
Actually, may times na iniisip ko yung mga words niya. Tapos na-adapt ko siya, nakakausap ko yung mom ko. Nagalit sa akin. Ba't ganyan English mo? So, umayos ka, JJ.
Mom kasi ni Joyce, guys, like super big on English. Like she really values someone who can speak English well. Diba? Kaya Joyce and her sister speak English very well. And then when she first introduced me to her parents, parang, ito yung dinedate ko, pasado agad sa mom. Ay, grabe, dinidiretso mong English.
Delulo!
Hawig pa ni Encho, hawig pa ni Joshua Garcia.
Oh my God, sabi ko lang, important sa mom ko yung diction. Hindi naman, that's your, parang
ganun ba? Akala ko yun yung
lang
verb.
yung diction. Pero, hindi ko naman sinabi na kamukha ni Encho. Dinagdagan mo na.
Di ba? Sorry.
Yeah.
Papansin.
Over naman sa blush.
Anong shoot mo?
For the pinkish glow na naman si Bradley.
Anong shoot mo?
Yes. Wala lang. Like, kasi yung makeup artist na yun, he did my makeup before, like years back. Tapos sobrang gano'n ng makeup niya. Tapos, nag-give back. So, I gave him more makeup from the latest collection of Jelly. Tapos, ayun, sabi niya gusto niya ako makeup ulit. And then we did.
Saan ka nag...
I wanna show you, kaso nasa phone. Walang screen.
What?
Here.
Like, what? Saan yung location?
Albay lang.
No, I mean like what? House or...
House lang niya.
House niya?
Mm-mm.
Near siya sa'yo?
Not so much. Mga 20 minutes away. Or 15 minutes.
Anong gagawin mo tomorrow morning?
Manligaw si Brad Joyce. Nonchalant siya, guys. Nonchalant.
Anong gagawin mo tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning,
Yeah.
I'll just sleep in and then pack and then go to the airport.
And then, where are you going to?
Tomorrow.
You're going to be in my arms?
Okay, I'm waiting for their reactions. Guys, ganyan siya mag-joke.
there's a-
Bad joke yan. 30 years old. Ay, joke lang. 29.
Everyone was saying, oh my God, you look 22. Oh my God, you look 23. Wow.
Paano po magpalambing ang isang Joyce?
Paano magpalambing? Every hour, every second. Kanta yarn. Lambing eh. Lambing moments eh. Hi, I miss the lambing moments. It's been too long.
What?
The lambing moments. The lambingan.
Specify, please.
Who's interested first?
Fine.
Who said I love you first?
English teacher ba, mom?
Who
Hindi
eats
po.
more?
Engineer po yung mom ko, pero nag-public speaking siya before. Not that it's important yung English, pero sa kanya parang, big thing sa kanya.
Kulit ni Brad. Makulit lang ako pag kasama ko si Bebeke. Magkikita rin kayo soon. And what now na? Now!
Hindi ako nag-I love you, sabi ko lang,
Parang gano'n na rin yun.
like,
Seriously.
parang nag-good night lang ako, tapos nadagdagan ng my love.
Parang gano'n na rin yun, di ba guys?
Whatever.
Grabe, nasa parang lang ako, like, about to go to sleep na, so lang, good night, my love.
Oh my God. Oh God, stop.
Sarap i-kiss yung forehead.
Na para bang si Joyce ang nawala.
Sensya ka na, ha?
Nawalaan.
Sensya ka na, ha?
Guys, lingi yan si Brad.
Uso ba to? Yung couple na nagla-live? Parang hindi, no? Parang hindi, no? Uso pala. Pero mas sweet kami.
Competition. Competitive yan.
Oh my God, kaya... Oh my God.
Hindi nakasaksak.
Hindi. Pinlog ko sa same port. Both. Kasi...
Galing.
Ganun talaga pag nadidistract ka sa...
Guess my zodiac sign.
At least I gave them we gave them a night to remember, a life to remember. Kasi na-disappoint sila, wala sila Nathan and Justin. So ngayon, naging romance yung show, hindi comedy show.
Na para bang freestyle ito. Sali kayo, guys!
Gusto mo mag-guest ng tao? Gusto mo mag-guest? Guest tayo ng tao.
What?
Why?
Why?
Ano lang, one to two people lang. Tapos
Hindi ako marunong.
they're gonna give their, they're gonna ask us for advice.
What? I'm not in the right position to give advice.
Oh, sige.
Ikaw na lang. Mas marami ka alam eh.
Bakit? Mas matanda na ako.
Oo. 29 ka na eh.
Wala rin nag-request.
Gusto ko yung nakahiga na talaga ako, no?
End call na kami, Bax. Kilig na kami.
Sige guys, bye-bye. Bebe time na kami. I am 24. End call na. Parang chismosa kami dito.
Uy, may mga nag-request. Ano? Accept na ba natin?
Ikaw. I'm just gonna shut up.
Okay, we have three requests.
Guys, alam nyo ba? Sobrang funny. Nag-bond kami over a worship song.
Several worship songs.
My God. Sa car, yun yung piniplay niya.
I will sing forever of your love,
Someone asked,
Lord.
are you Chinese?
Someone asked you?
Yeah. Mimi.
And celebrate the wonders.
Dancer yan si Joyce. Yun yung nasa bio niya. Yes, I'm a professional dancer, guys. Gusto niyo ba magpatuloy? I'm about to upload the vlog. Mag-vlog na. I'm about to upload the vlog na nag-dance class kami ni Brad. But basta secret.
Oh my, that's gonna be a riot. That's gonna be a riot. Oh my, mother, father. Look at the comment.
Hi! Hi, Miss Nisa! Oh my God! I'm the biggest electric fan of yours, truly, please.
Yeah, kayo mag-usap.
Yes. Are you friends po with Bethany Talbot? Yes, I was with her from the Cebu brand trip with Vice X Jelly.
Nisa, quick lang. Matutulog na kami.
Oy, nakita ko yung sumasayaw si Kuya Brad. Yeah, we're like the same. We're like birds of a feather.
We should stick together. What did you listen to the...
Hanapan yung love life si Tommy. Kaya niya na yan!
Sa dami ba naman niyang options now?
Yeah.
Siya na bahala dun. Ano sabi ni Nisa Nuggets? But Joyce, girl, you better watch out. We will must see you soon.
What?
Personally.
But Joyce, girl, you better watch out. We will must see you personally.
Akala ko kakanta ng ano eh. You better watch out. You better...
See you soon, Miss Nisa Nuggets. I will watch out.
Punta tayo sa UK.
Sa?
Sa UK. Pupunta daw si Nisa sa Christmas. Sa UK.
UK?
Sa London.
London. Oh.
The home country of Sarah.
Oh, siya.
Yeah. Siya?
Yeah, siya.
Pag siya, oy? I would like to see what it is like to live in London because of, all of the happenings in the world. And,
May dance university ka na din ba, Ate Joyce? Actually, I'm planning to make that happen with Sir Bradley Trice.
Dance university. I'm excited. I want to do yung dance yung yoga. Yung may ganun.
It's giving CPR.
Basta ganun siya eh.
Familiar.
Ano ba? Folded ba yun?
Ginawa ko yan, baka mas lalong di nila maintindihan.
CPR. Folded. Pero ginawa na pala natin.
What? I like you right.
Ano ba yan?
Ako na din kumanta. Sing na lang si Brad, wag na dance. Hi.
Tama ba to?
Oo, ganyan lang, ganyan mismo. Very good.
How did you guys met? Since you have a 5 years age gap. Ano lang naman, 1 year age gap lang.
Hindi niya tanggap. We met through a friend. Yes.
O sige, ikaw naman magsabi ng story since ako palagi nagsasabi.
Sige. Okay, so, New Year, I ate the grapes under the table. And then, wala lang. Kasi di ko naman siya iniisip. Basta, I just did it. And then, January 2, nag-chat yung friend ko, si Sophia Jarling. And sabi niya, do you want me to recommend to someone? Tapos sabi ko, sure, why not? Oh, talagang nonchalant pa. Tapos parang, ayun na, nag-message na si Sir Bradley Trice. Parang ako, Chinese, may Great Wall ba to? Tapos sabi ni Sophia, wala naman daw. Tapos yun. After a week, we met sa bar. Like, okay na bar naman. Wait, bakit parang lag? 10 siya. Okay, so, paano ko sa handle? Oh my God, I'm getting pressured. So, ayun na nga. Like, punta kami sa Bar Flora. And then, we talked. First impression, I was early.
Is the Wi-Fi better? The Wi-Fi is better?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you're early.
Nauna ako sa venue.
Yeah.
Tapos, di naman siya late. Parang on time naman siya. Ayun. Yun lang naman.
And then, like 5 minutes before I said, ano sabi ko? Cancel na lang.
Oh my God.
Sabi ko, oh shucks, I can't make it pala. I'm so sorry. Grabe, when I walked in talaga, I was like, oh my God, how did a girl like this agree to go out with me? Like, what the hell? This girl is literally Sam Pinto. Like, what the heck? Like, yung makeup niya that night and the look specifically that night. Like, what the... ano naman ako, like, I would not fumble this.
Sobrang formal niya, guys. Like, parang yung stance niya, pang tito talaga. Ganon siya sa lap. Sobrang tandang-tanda ka, nakaganon siya. So, kumusta ka naman? How's the flight? Kala mo! Minutes, parang...
Ano bang iniinom ng mga 20s ko? Yung East Asia.
Yeah!
TikTok ka ba? Ano ba yung TikTok?
Sobrang tito talaga. I remember it all. Tapos parang nafe-feel...
Yung mga Gen Z, ano ba yun?
Tapos parang nafe-feel ko lumalandi na siya eh. Parang tumitingin-tingin na siya sa eyes ko, like directly, matagal. Tapos parang ako, what's that? Parang mga ganun ako. Ay, ano yun? Mga ganun ako. Tapos yan, natatawa na siya. Hindi niya ma-handle yung cuteness ko. Thank you. I'm really a dancer talaga. Sabi niya kasi, galing ko daw sumayaw.
And, wait, yun na ba yung story? Parang meron pa. Meron pa. Tapos na ba?
After that, oh my God, ang landi niya guys. Like, di ba may, okay, I'm gonna tell you this. May drink na may lollipop. Oh my God, talaga. So, syempre, I took the lollipop. Okay, fine. Nahulog yung lollipop. Yun. End of story.
Nahulog yung lollipop or nahulog ka?
No. Tapos guys, after that date, like the morning after, message siya agad. I'm like, can you give me space? Parang sabi niya, let's meet. Do you wanna meet up today? Tapos parang ako, no.
Parang lumabas din tayo that day. Parang...
No, I said no because I had plans.
Di ba? Di ba the day after?
Maybe.
It was like 1 to 2 days after.
No, 2 days after.
Still, same thing.
Whatever. Parang, grabe. Parang hindi na ako binibigyan ng chance. Because I was open to meeting other people pa. Tapos siya parang, pursue niya na talaga ako. Parang ako, okay fine, let's give this a chance. Tapos ayun na. Na-attach na ako.
Kasi for me, and I think a lot of people will agree, if you go on a date with someone and then you feel like, oh, okay, this has potential. If kaya mo namang kitain, hindi naman kailangan the next day, but if kaya mong kitain within like 3 days, keep the momentum going, di ba?
Tapos nung sinabi niya sa akin na torpe siya, hindi ko talaga, like, di ako makapaniwala. So,
I used to be. But not now.
Yan.
But still introverted. Like, but we're both still introverted. Right? Like, we just know how to socialize.
Yeah.
Anong tampururot stage?
Tampo.
Bakit ako nagtatampo?
I don't know.
Sabi niya, sweet ni Joyce. Alam niya kasi nasa tampururot stage tonight si Brad. Kaya andyan siya to cheer him up.
What?
I don't know.
Alam niya kasi tampo stage tonight. Why? Ano sinabi mo before?
Wala.
Bakit ka nagtatampo?
Baka tampo kasi wala ka sa piling ko. Ngayon. Baka ganun.
Good night, guys.
Nakapag-bigs ka na ba?
Yeah. Kagabi.
I can't wait! I can't wait!
I had tenderloin too. Sarap. Thank you.
Tampururot stage kasi hindi dumating sila Justin. Kaya nag-ano ako.
I was waiting for that.
Wala.
Grabe. Palit muna. Ilang months siya nang ligaw. We were dating na. Ano yun? Like, nag-date na tayo. Parang sabi niya kasi, he likes me na daw. Tapos parang ni-reciprocate ko naman. Sabi ko, oh, I like you too.
Do you remember when?
Nasa car tayo. After natin mag-yogurt. Ay.
Sorry, lolo na ako.
Yes. And then, ayun, I think dating na. And then naging exclusive eventually. And then after 3 months,
Good night, my love. Napa-off cam siya. Open cam, please. Working or studying? Sa mga di mag-follow, please follow.
Sa mga di pa nagpo-follow, please follow. Don't forget to follow, guys.
Follow me and Joyce. Follow Bradley Trice and Joyce. Follow us, guys. Sa mga di pa nagpo-follow, please follow.
Commercial. Ay. Nadulas si Joyce. Hindi. Ano, parang antok lang ako noon. Tas parang, ganun lang talaga ako maglambing na sasasabi ko mga stuff na ganun.
Ngayon ko, hindi yung bibig mo yung nagsabi nun. Yung puso mo. Parang it felt so natural for you to say, good night. Ay! How did you feel when Joyce said, first time? Parang a million things happened in one. Like, lahat ng galaxy sumabog. Lahat ng butterfly nagkukumpul-kumpulin sa tiyan.
Hala, binagay na nila good night.
Ang pretty mo. Thank you. Oh my God.
Stop na.
Wait, is Brad Bisaya? What made you think I'm Bisaya? Ba't po kami kasali sa Bebe Time?
Wala lang.
Hindi kami mag-end call, guys. Hindi kami mag-adjust. Kayo mag-adjust.
Kayo na lang mag-exit. Nagkaon ka na, love?
Nagkaon ako, love.
I saw your comment in Joyce's TikTok. Nagbisaya ka. I think it's because of the video. Yung audio na.
I just Google translated that for everyone's information. I'm still kind of hungry though. I have to sleep now. As usual.
Are you Bisaya, Joyce? I'm not. I'm Bicolano.
We're not to Bacolod or Mascar. Sadly.
Europe na. Yes, Abby, mother.
Mascara Festival. When? October. Oh, the whole month? 1 to 19. Sleepy ka na?
Sakto lang.
Sweet dreams, ha? Hope you dream of me.
Oh my god, you sound like Tommy. Wait, my mom's here. Hello. Live. We're on live. Naglalandian kami sa live. Proud na proud.
Sabi niya.
Sabi niya, dito na lang ako.
Baka nanonood siya from the other room.
Hindi naman ata. Happy birthday, mother. Kakaalis ko lang.
Lahat nagko-comment na ng good night.
Oh my God! No!
Guys, spam nyo lahat ng videos ni Joyce
No!
with good night.
No! Wag, i-delete ko yan. Stop! Pero kung hindi ko sinabi yun, like, paano ko ba i-question?
Question?
Kung hindi ko sinabi yun.
I would have been first. No doubt about it. Kung hindi mo sinabi. I would have said it in that trip.
Ay, really?
Yep.
Talaga?
I was literally thinking
Baka kinakeme mo lang ako.
I was literally thinking of saying either that day or the next day. Kasi
Si FB10 naman. Oh.
ano? It's bad. It's bad.
Oh. Ano yun?
Okay na? Okay na ba?
Oh.
Okay. No, kasi 'di ba nung after Ombar, 'di ba? Nag-ano tayo, nag mini away. So I wanted to say it then that day or the next day. Pero inunahan mo ko eh. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to be competitive.
I know. I think it's because parang nakita ko how you handled the argument. Like, you held yourself accountable and it was gentle. You didn't raise your voice. Like, ewan ko, parang like, na-appreciate ko yun. Ang big thing talaga sa akin yun. Hirap mo pagtanggol doon, Ate Joyce. Good night. Tama na, guys. Oo na. Ako na ang talo. Okay? Ayun na. Nagbora kami, yes.
Wala na. Ayan. Nainggit na kami.
Ayan.
Sabihin ko nga kita, good night, love. Sure! Effective yan. 100% effective. Box, matutulog na kaming
Tulog na kayo, guys. Baby time pa kami. Go na. Go na kayo.
Need to sleep na rin in a bit.
Same. Oo, nakisame. Parang green flag si Bradley. Yeah. Feel ko naman green flag siya.
Green flag, red brief.
Ano reply ni Brad sa good night, my love? So parang late ko na-realize, parang napaano siya. What did you say? Parang ako, na-shy na ako. So, I planted my face sa pillow. Like, gano'n. Tapos parang tinatry niya. Like, what did you say? What did you say? I'm like, ay, nako. Ay, nako. Ayun. I felt so ashamed. Natalo ako.
Sobrang unexpected din for me kasi yun, away kami. Mini away lang naman. Pero sinabi niya that same night na parang, oh. Sobrang in disbelief ako na, oh my God, what did I just hear?
Ayun.
Kaya mo pa? Kaya pa?
Yes, kinilig ka naman. Kayo na nung nagbora. No. Ay. Yeah.
Yep.
You asked me pero parang...
Sabi ko, kasi we were with friends and then pag kita namin sa airport, sabi ko, say hello to my girlfriend.
In-announce niya kaagad sa friends niya.
Say hello to my little friend. Say hello to my girlfriend.
Pinkish glow.
Kanina pa ako pinkish glow.
Ay.
I don't know why.
Mas olat si Brad. Grabe kilig niya sa'yo, Joyce.
Kala ko mas olat sa mukha ko. True naman. Ay.
Thank you.
But yeah, I think the thing I'm most grateful for with Joyce is nakikinig siya.
I'm listening. Come on.
Ano. For with Joyce is na yung belief ko dati na parang pag nasa relationship ka, sobrang mahihinder yung self-growth mo, yung priorities, like yung career. At first, I was getting into a relationship before because, that was one of the reasons. Kasi akala ko I wouldn't have time for myself. But being with Joyce for the last, seeing her for the last 10 months, parang I've been doing way more pa nga than I thought I could. And it's because of a partner like her na super supportive and encouraging and hindi ako tumatawa. And I'm super serious about this. Na kaya niyang, it's true na kaya niyang i-unleash yung powers mo. For lack of a better term, na-unleash talaga feel ko yung kaya kong parang na-erase yung mga self-doubt ko. Kasi she's there for me. And ayun. End of wow!
Ang ganda ko, guys. Ang haba ng hair ko. Ayun o. Ayun o.
Lahat lang ang sentence na nag-end na with my love.
Ano ba yan?
Hilig si my love.
Stop.
Ilang years na daw
Why
kami.
the head and the shoulder?
Wala pa kaming 1 year, guys. Wala pa kaming 1 year. Half a year pa lang. Ay.
Gayun, ano? Ilang years na daw po kayo? Wala pa po. Paano mo siya sinagot? Should I tell them?
Yep.
At first, he asked me sa parking lot. It was a genuine moment naman. Pero parang sabi ko, I don't want to be asked here. Like, ask me properly. But, ayun. So, after Bora, dinner-press niya ako sa dinner. Like, parang, he talked to the staff and then he served us wine, ganon, and cake. Was it cake?
Sa Bora?
No.
La Latina.
Latina ba yun? Ayun, yun.
Oh my God, I almost forgot about that night because of what happened after.
Yeah. Yun na yung...
Ay.
Ano ba yan? Look at the questions now. Does my love also play golf? Guys, stop na. Nakakahiya.
The other way around?
No. Versus age 24 po. Halabaw ng buhok.
Ba't parang ginawa yung Google search, Joyce age?
Joyce, how are you after the earthquake? Oh my God. Sobrang lala. Like, akala namin like end of the world na.
Mag-book na dapat ako ng flight to Cebu that night.
I called Brad. Sobrang nagpapanik na kami. Hindi ko na alam gagawin ko. And wala na akong ibang dala. Like, na-stuck pa kami sa room. Kasi may na-jam sa door. So, inakit pa kami ng guard. And then, we had to go down from the 16th floor through the stairs. Tapos, phone na lang. Nag-blank na yung mind ko. Phone na lang yung hawak ko. I was in my robe. And then, hotel slippers lang. The whole night, I was wearing that. Super lala.
Tapos umulan pa.
Yep. Naapakan na hair. 24. I'm 24, guys.
Wait, so who are they referring to when they say my love? Ikaw or ako?
Okay, sana ikaw. Ikaw na lang.
Ano po, you have to be specific, guys. Anong skincare ni my love boy or my love girl?
My love Brad or my love Joyce? Na para bang J-boy at J-girl yan sila. What?
My love, ikaw daw. So, anong skincare?
No! Bakit ako? Ayoko sabihin skincare ko. Huwag niyo akong tawaging my love.
Sorry.
Oh my God. No! What have you done?
I unleashed a monster.
Hey. Stop na to.
Amot ka daw.
What?
Huwag ka nagsishare. Huwag ka nagsishare ng skincare.
Fine. So, my skincare is is a Korean brand called Tiam. Recent lang. So, I always cleanse my face to melt off the makeup. I use any cleanser. And then, facial wash, either Oxycure or the Tiam. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yun lang, may skincare set silang binigay and then I've been using that. So far, so good. Look at my skin. Bright.
Sarap kurutin.
My love, call sign ninyo. Bebe. Bebe na lang. Huwag na my love. Kayo talaga.
Sleep ka na?
Baka naman we can have Joyce as a personality one day with Parina and Lisa. Do you want
Game, we'll make that happen.
No, I'm scared. I can't talk to them like how they talk to you guys. I've been practicing, pero parang baka mag-blank lang ako, mapahiya lang ako kay Miss Parina G.
Diyan. Ikaw na yung representative.
Bebe,
Natin.
Bebe si Brad, my love si Joyce. No na, bebe na lang. Or Brad and Joyce. Broys. Guys, pag love team name kami, ang baho, like, kasing real name niya, Jason. Tapos, pinaghalo sa Joyce. Joyson.
Isip kayo, magaling usually yung taong bayan sa pag come up with, di ba? Pag-isip ng mga names. Joyson Baby Powder.
Maduman ka sa agab sa boss, Joyce. Dahil mabalik na ako sa Manila. Sleep ka na, bebe? I'm asleep too. Bye, bebe. Good night.
Night, bebe.
Good night.
Tawagan kita din. Mag-flying kiss ako sa'yo dun.
Okay. Sige.
Para hindi naman masyadong
Yeah, baka i-report na nila tayo.
Sabi ni Shy Radio, Sis! My love talaga yan. Ay, nako. Bye everyone. Sorry na nagkaano kayo bigla. Dumaan kayo sa Aldab dito.
Bye guys! Thanks for watching our bebe time. We're gonna go now. End ko na to. Bye.
Bye.